This program goes for a year long. They're made up of 14 trainees. It's for what's called the North East Link project. It's the northern end. It's the M80 Ring Road Alliance, which is made up by Asiana and a few other parties.
This program's been really good at exploring different avenues with civil construction. We've worked with lots of different subcontractors. It really allows you to explore where you want to fit in the civil construction industry.
I wanted to further my career in construction. This came up and I thought it would be a fantastic opportunity. The course so far is just the training and the learning style. It's very hands-on. It's given me a wide view of different areas in the construction industry, which I've really liked and made me understand what pathway and where I want to go.
For most of them, this is a brand new experience and they've been very open to learning new things. I've actually been really impressed. The opportunity is absolutely fantastic.
I never thought that I was going to be in civil construction. It was kind of something that came to me later in life. I just got back from travelling and I thought of something that I'd be able to develop new skills on, and I feel like civil construction, you never stop learning. So it was really an opportunity for me to just learn new skills in a different environment.